I thought it was a fantastic day. The whole issue of informing somebody about risk so that they can take proper decisions when they're pregnant is fundamental.
Really pleased that I managed to attend the conference today. Very informative.
Well-covered topic of women's rights in healthcare.
It was very good presentation. I learned a lot. This particular one is mentioned about menopause, which is not very often you can hear the GP very much interested and then help the woman who suffer.
Education was really, really important. We learned that it's far better if we can work together. I think there were some common themes from what we heard.
Helping women and supporting them whatever they wish to. We all go for that ethos, you know.
Amazing speakers, very juicy topics and discussions and Q&A sessions. I got exactly what I wanted.
I would encourage every health professional to really attend these conferences because it gives you an update. Everyone is friendly, you get to talk to people and your network, and I think it's a brilliant conference. Please do attend next year.